opportunity together right here and right now to move into a time of prayer, a time of meditation, a time of centering ourselves in this moment. And so as we close our eyes, and as we breathe into right here and right now, we call forth the divine light, the divine love that is within our heart. Gently releasing thoughts, concerns, worries, things that seek to distract us from that divine light and the peace of this moment. We gently turn within, knowing that as other thoughts, any distracting thoughts that are not of spirit show up, we can simply pause and send them on their way as we return our thoughts to spirit. And so, as we sit in this moment, radiating the peace, the light, the love of God, we project a consciousness of peace into our world. Feeling the connection first within our heart, we allow that divine connection, that peaceful connection, to grow and expand from our heart space out into the rest of our body. And from our body out into our home. From our home out into our community. And from our community out into our world. And so in this moment, we choose to radiate peace into our world. Walking in the light of truth, we shine our peace into our world as we rest in silence. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time and this place, carrying with us from this divine time, this moment of connection, the knowledge and the truth that we can return to this powerful place whenever we choose. And so out of this time, we carry our intention and our commitment to continue shining that light of peace into our world. And so it is with that peace in our heart that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.